Even though spring is not officially here, we're definitely getting into that transition season. I've been doing some shopping and I am so excited to share what I picked up, so it's time for a haul. Now, before we jump into the outfits, I just want to have a moment for my hair because I'm obsessed. I absolutely love it. I got compliments on it when I wore it in my previous video. I wore it curly and I think it just looks so good. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw that I got a double part install by Aisha Seiko. I'll have her information in the description box. And I'm wearing Andibu hair extensions in the blowout wefts. And I'm obsessed. This texture mimics my hair texture exactly. And it just looks like, it's a perfect blend. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Like, I really am obsessed with it. It looks so good. And I have a promo code for you guys to get some money off your bundles if you want to try out this texture or any of the other textures. I've tried a few of them and I really do love them all. And so click the link in the description box to check out Andibu extensions. And also, if you are in the Atlanta area and you want to get your install by Aisha Seiko, I'll have her Instagram in the description box as well. All right, let's just jump into everything because I'm really excited to show you what I picked up. Let's start off with Zara. So I picked up a few things from Zara that I really like, and I know you guys are gonna love them too. So starting off with these cargos. I did not know how I was gonna feel about these, but once I tried them on, they were perfect. I thought they were gonna be awkward because they're actually men's cargos, but it seems like I'm having a little bit more luck with the men's pants than I am women at the moment, at least with getting the styles that I've been looking for. And these are really nice. And they are 100% cotton, which I thought was a really nice bonus because it's becoming increasingly difficult to find natural fabrics. They're not stretchy, but they have some good give. And I can tell as I wear them more and more, they're gonna break in really nicely. And I'm sure it's because they are 100% cotton. So they're gonna really just conform to my body. And I really like that. All the cargo pockets are really cool. Of course, they just add something really nice to the look. I love a cargo. I love an olive green. These are just right up my alley. And what's great about these is that you can wear them like wide leg, straight leg, or at the bottom it has like an extra flap that you can pull to make it a little bit like a jogger style, which I thought was really nice. And I think that feature is really great because if you are a little bit taller or for whatever reason you feel like they come up a little bit short on you, when you wear them as a jogger style, it looks like it's intentional. The way I styled these in this first look is with a suede booty. These are by Veronica Beard. I wear them all the time. And then I have on this striped top from Cos. It's a really thin knit merino wool. And then I threw on my Free People trench, sunglasses in a bag, and I'm good to go. I really love this look. Next up, I wanted to just style these cargos more casually because I'm gonna wear them like that a lot. And I just threw on a pair of sneakers and this knit top from Urban Revival that I've shared before. Love this look as well, very comfortable and it's fun. The next piece that I got is this cropped knit. Zara actually calls it a sweatshirt, but it's definitely an elevated sweatshirt because it is a knit, and I really, really love that. It's a half zip, so you can zip it up to be like a turtleneck, but you can zip it down and open up the neckline, which looks really great. I love that it's navy blue because I find that it is hard to find certain pieces in navy blue, and I didn't have anything like this. Well, the silhouette is a silhouette I usually go for, but I didn't have navy. So I really love that it comes in navy. It has like white piping or white stripe going down the arm, which is really nice. And I paired the knit top with these balloon jeans from Zara. I actually shared these before, but they were out of stock, and it looks like they're back in stock now. I just checked before I sat down to film this, and they are in stock. So check the description box. And I really like these because I think they're an interesting wash. I just love a balloon jean because the silhouette is really nice. And these are a baggy style, so they're slouchy, really comfortable. And I just threw them on with a pair of suede loafers. And this is a really nice elevated casual look I would wear to the mall. I would wear to lunch. I would even wear it to the office depending on where I worked. If you work in more of a creative environment, somewhere where it's a lot more casual, then I would consider wearing this. But keep in mind it is cropped, so you might want to wear something underneath. Next, I grabbed this cream top from Zara as well. It feels like a denim shirt, but it is 100% cotton. It definitely feels like a lightweight denim. It's really nice. I love the color. You guys already know by now I love a cream. This is actually a Jcrew, and this is a really, really nice neutral to have. It definitely lightens things up. It refreshes things, and I just threw it on with a pair of jeans. These are by Pistola. These are another barrel style, but less exaggerated than the previous pair that I showed you. And I really love the silhouette here. Easy, comfortable, elevated, chic. And then I styled it with a pair of suede pumps. and my Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse that I have not worn in a while. So I'm definitely gonna be adding this back into the rotation. But throw on a pair of sunglasses and you have yourself a really easy, casual, elevated look that you can wear to work, depending on where you work. Again, I'm wearing jeans here, so it just depends on the environment. But it is an elevated look, so you can get away with wearing it to the office on maybe a Friday, or to any creative events in the daytime, maybe like a day date, depending on the date as well. This is a very nice, easy outfit that looks very polished. Now, I shared a cape that I picked up from Banana Republic like last year or the year before. I can't remember when I got it, but a lot of people ask me about that cape whenever I wear or style it or show it. And right now, capes are definitely on trend. And I feel like it's a trend that a lot of people aren't talking about, but I'm starting to see them pop up more and more. So when I saw this one, I was like, no, this is going to be a perfect one for you guys to get if you really love my other cape, because this one has like a waxed coating. It's a beautiful chocolate brown. And then it has a corduroy collar and a removable hood. And inside the hood, it has like a checked print that is a really nice neutral. This is a really good cape. This is a really, really good cape, and it looks very high and very expensive. It has gold snaps, but the snaps on the front are hidden, so you don't see them, but it does have a couple snaps in the back. It comes only in one size because it is a cape, so it's going to fit you. But I love this cape. It looks so good. Next, I picked up a top from Madewell. This denim top is really nice. I didn't have anything in this wash. I don't have any dark denim tops. I love denim in general, but I do steer a little bit away from dark denim just because of the transfer. And I tend to wear a lot of creams and like lighter color bottoms like jeans, and so you have to worry about that. But this one is really nice. Not to say that it wouldn't transfer, but I just have to be mindful. I love the brown stitching. I love a dark denim with a brown stitch. It looks so good, and this is just easy to style. I threw it on with a pair of cargos that I already had that happened to be from Zara, and then my brown booties from Veronica Beer, sunglasses in a bag, and this is an easy outfit. Next up, I grabbed some things from J.Crew. This top I love. I really needed like a comfortable oversized button-up top in a neutral color because I have like different variations, but I just wanted like a simple blue. And this is really nice because it is a neutral. It goes with a lot of things. It's like Oxford blue, but it also is a really nice color. It looks very crisp and fresh, and it just lightens up the look. I just really love this. And I paired it with my Pistola barrel leg jeans, a pair of pumps, but I also picked up these earrings that I'm wearing from J.Crew as well. I actually got 2 pair, and this pair that I'm showing you in this outfit is definitely giving door knocker, but I love the way these look. They're so chunky, they're nice and bold. They're gonna look great with my hair pulled up, pulled into a low pony. These are just really, really fabulous, and I think that a lot of you will enjoy these. They're lightweight, they're not heavy at all, even though they look really bold, they're not heavy. And J.Crew actually had a lot of earrings that I wanted to pick up when I saw these, but I figured I'll just grab a couple, and then as the season progresses, maybe grab some more, because they also have one that looks like the top half of this earring without the hoop that I thought was a nice option as well. The next pair of earrings that I picked up from J.Crew are these post earrings. I really love how bold they are, but still classic and simple. And you can style these with everything. I wore them in my previous video when I had on that shaggy cardigan a lot of you loved. And these are very comfortable. They're lightweight as well. And they just look really, really good. I'm very happy with these. And they look really good on camera. Next up, I grabbed some sweatpants. These are from The Gap. I love these. They're so comfortable. I love the weight of them. And they're not fleece lined. So you can wear these, you know, as the weather warms up. Maybe not in the middle of the summer, but you never know. But they're really comfortable and the length is perfect. I like these a lot. Now, these are actually a collaboration between The Gap and Star Wars. I know these are not for everyone, but I actually do like Star Wars. I love sci-fi things. And so I thought this was a cute little touch. The blue one that I'm showing you here has a little stormtrooper over the Gap logo just on the hip. I felt like it was minimal and it was still fun and cute. It's a casual pants, so I thought it was a nice idea. And then I just threw it on with a pair of sneakers, a cream colored top, and then my metallic Levi's jacket that I showed you in a previous video. Threw on my Louis Vuitton bag, and I feel like this is a really nice casual outfit that's still cute and fun. And I also picked up these sweatpants in another color. I got it in this really pretty purple shade, and this one actually has a little Mandalorian head over the Gap logo on the hip. And both pairs of sweatpants come with a matching sweatshirt. For me, I felt like it was a little bit much. I didn't want so much of the, you know, Star Wars paraphernalia all over the sweatsuit, so I skipped on the top. But if you do like it, the top would be a nice set to have together. Before the purple pair, I just kept on that same cream top. I swapped out for a blue denim jacket and then grabbed my furry clutch from COS, and I really like the way this came together for a fun, super casual look as well. Now let's talk about these jeans that I also got from the Gap. Now these are the 90s loose fit jeans that I showed you actually in a previous video. I styled them, but I got them in a larger size. And I told you that I really wish they were slightly longer, but the size that I wanted, because I wanted them to be baggy, the size that I got them didn't come in the length that I wanted. So I decided I was just gonna go ahead and try a size down so that I can get a longer length. And I am happy with these. I'm glad I did. They actually got delivered while I was filming this video, so I just hurried up and put them on to show you. But I really like these a lot. Again, they are not as baggy as I was going for, but they do have a nice fit, and it's just a different look that I was going for a baggy jean, but it's a nice fitting jean. The waist is too big, so I'm gonna have to get them taken in. They are 100% cotton. They're not stretchy, but they do have a nice give to them, and I can tell these are gonna break in really nicely. But overall, I really love these jeans. Definitely still recommend them, and I'm gonna try out the other washes that they come in. They have a couple that don't have any rips at all, and I do want more jeans that don't have any distressing or rips, so I'm gonna try those as well, and I'll let you know. Now let's talk about some sneakers that I picked up. I actually have been wearing these, and I've been wearing them a lot. These are the New Balance 9060s, and anytime I wear these outside, someone asks me about them. They are really cute, and the green is probably what gets people. The overall style is really nice, and I'm gonna probably end up with another color or more colors. But what I love about these is that they're cream, gray, and this gorgeous green, and I've been wearing them nonstop. These are my most comfortable sneakers. Like out of all the sneakers that I have, these are the most comfortable. It has a nice wide footbed, and I don't even have wide feet, but it's nice to have all of that space, you know? But they're not too big, they're not too chunky and clunky, but they are really, really good. I am so happy with these. Next up, let's talk about these pumps from Tony Bianco. I love these. They're so comfortable, first of all. They're the perfect heel height. They are under 4 inches, like 3.75. And for me, that's like a perfect everyday. I can walk in hours for these kind of a pump. And they look good just worn casually, or you can dress them up if you wanted to. I do really love the color of these as well. It's like my perfect nude color. It just looks really, really good. And I do want to get more colors because it's so comfortable and it's such a good shoe. And one thing I want to point out when it comes to more affordable shoes, like contemporary brands, like non-designer brands, I guess I would say, it's not easy to find an expensive looking shoe. I really don't think that I come across a lot of pumps, especially that to me feel elevated or look really expensive or look elevated. You know what I'm saying? Like they just don't look well made. I like a longer point. I feel like it makes the shoe look more expensive, and it also is more flattering. So for me, this was something that was important to have, and I really like these. They come in other colors, but I think it only comes in maybe 2 other suede versions. Definitely comes in a black suede, but they have other colors as well. So I will leave the links in the description box, of course. But you guys should check these out if you're looking for a pair of pumps, because these are really good. Next up, I got a couple of makeup items I want to talk about. First, let's talk about this balm from Chanel Cosmetics. This is the Rouge Cocoa Balm, number 764 Charming Lilac. I've always loved purple lipstick, and I really don't even know why. I just think it looks so beautiful on most people's skin tone, whether it's a deep plum purple or something a little bit more vibrant with a little magenta in it. Like, I just love purple. So there was a color by MAC Cosmetics that was like back in the day when I was younger. It was a cream sheen, and the color was called Playtime. And it was such an easy purple to wear. Like, and then I didn't wear lip liner or anything. I only really wore lip gloss, and I just loved that color so much. And when I saw this one, I was like, nope, this is the same color. That was like a limited edition. They never brought it back. I was never able to find that color anywhere else. And with the formula combination, I really loved how easy it was to wear. And this is giving me that. This is giving me Cream Sheen Playtime from MAC, but this is from Chanel, and I love the color. It's one of their balms, so it's really like an easy balmy texture. It's kind of like just putting on a lip balm. And I really like that. The other colors that it comes in are really great as well. So I'm thinking about maybe grabbing another, but I was just so obsessed with this color that I knew that I had to grab it, and I'm very happy with it. It has a slight sheen to it, very comfortable on the lips, but it's not super glossy. It's not like wearing a gloss on your lips, but it does have a nice color payoff. It's not scary at all if you're someone who's afraid of wearing like a color. It definitely is just a nice wash of color. Next up, I got this lip gloss. It's by the brand Ami Collet, and I love this. It's one of my new favorite formulas right now. I wanted the clear one because I just like an easy clear gloss when I'm not wearing any makeup, you know, when I'm just running errands, but I want it to still be hydrating and feel really good. And this is perfect. I love how high shine it is. Like, I'll put it on right now if I wasn't wearing this purple. And even on top of this lip product that I'm wearing right now, this would look really good on top of any lip color because it has such a nice high shine, but I don't want to get it all dirty and, you know, don't get the wand all messed up. But I love the applicator. I love how fat it is and chunky it is. This is my favorite gloss right now. So I'm definitely gonna get other colors in this one. I love the texture, and the shine is probably what does it for me. It's so comfortable to wear. It's not like super sticky. I just feel like you have to try it. I can't really explain it. It's just really, really nice. And it's one of my, like, the best formulas that I have right now in my collection. Next, I wanna show you this Chanel Gabrielle Essence. This smells so good. I want to show you how it comes. This is actually the travel size. You can get the regular like full size, but I feel like this almost looks like cuter than the actual regular size. And you still get a lot of product in here. You get 3 20 milliliters. So you get this actual package and it has one of the cartridges in it. And all you do is just like twist it up to spray it, and it looks so good. So it's travel size and it just looks so nice. Like it just looks so luxe. I just love the way this looks, and it's gonna be so nice to like spray it and carry it around. And to travel with, but then it also comes with 2 of the refills that go inside of here. So I thought that was really nice, and it smells so good. I'm not one to like give you the breakdown of fragrance, but this smells really pretty, super feminine. And if you love Chanel fragrances in general, you're definitely gonna love this one. But even if you're not sure, you should check this one out because it smells really, really good, and it makes a really nice gift. But I wanted to show you how it looks in the packaging because it comes with those 2 refills. But this is a really nice one. And that's it. That's everything that I picked up. I'll have all the links in the description box, so make sure you guys check there. And I also want to tell you guys about my vlog channel. I haven't made any like official announcements or anything like that, but I have been uploading on my vlog channel. Some of you did notice because I saw you guys like leaving comments like, oh, you have another channel? Oh, do you have a second channel? I didn't realize this was another channel. Yes, I have another vlog channel. And on that channel, you guys could just see like my everyday life, like what I'm getting up to. I have like an extended shopping vlog with my mother. If you want to see like some of the other pieces that I tried on that didn't make it in this haul, then go and check out my vlog channel. I'll leave it linked in the description box. And I know a lot of you wanted to see more cooking, so you'll see more cooking from Winston. And like, you know, when we go to restaurants, just really everyday life things that I do want to share with you guys that I don't share over here on this channel. So I know some of you love vlogs and some of you don't. So now everybody's gonna get a little something, you know? And I'm excited to share more of other aspects. We keep it's chill over there. We just hanging out. So I want you guys to join me over there as well if you do enjoy vlogs. And if you made it this far in this video, then make sure you subscribe. I have so much more fashion, like spring, summer things to show you guys. I'm so excited about. So make sure you stay tuned and your notification bells are turned on. If you want to catch me on any of my other platforms, check the description box for that as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.